Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book. Streamlit in Action, Pure Python Web Apps in Minutes, written by Aniv Deko-Chakadan.
Welcome to the world of Streamlit. This book will guide you through real-world projects, from an advanced dashboard to a generative AI-powered chatbot, and give you insights into UI design and code organization. 10 reasons Streamlit is so popular. 1. Pure Python. Streamlit allows you to write web apps entirely in Python, bypassing the need for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 2. Rapid development. You can go from idea to app in minutes due to its intuitive syntax and sensible defaults. 3. Beautiful apps. Streamlit apps look good by default, with pre-designed elements that ensure a polished appearance. 4. Focus on logic. Streamlit handles UI details, letting you concentrate on your app's functionality. 5. Simple syntax. Streamlit's syntax is concise and intuitive, making it easy to read and write. 6. Great with LLMs. Streamlit supports AI applications, making it easy to create chatbots and other AI-driven tools. 7. Free hosting. Streamlit Community Cloud allows you to deploy and share your apps for free. 8. Supportive community. Streamlit has a large, friendly community and responsive forums. 9. Data science integration. Streamlit integrates well with data visualization libraries and tools like Pandas. 10. Extensibility. You can extend Streamlit with third-party components or build your own. Streamlit is ideal for creating data applications, including dashboards, data exploration tools, visualizations, and machine learning model deployments. Streamlit is well suited for developing internal tools for companies, such as project management dashboards, time tracking apps, and inventory management systems. Streamlit excels in creating AI applications, especially those involving large language models, LLMs, like GPT. Streamlit is useful for quickly prototyping large applications, helping validate assumptions, and gathering stakeholder feedback early in the development process. Streamlit can be used for unconventional projects, such as AI interviewing tools, maze generators, and more. How is Streamlit different from other technologies? Jupyter Notebooks are for interactive documents, while Streamlit is for creating apps for end users. Streamlit abstracts away the complexity of languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, allowing you to create web pages using Python. Streamlit uses React under the hood, but offers a simpler Python-based syntax for creating web apps. Flask and Django are backend frameworks requiring front-end code, while Streamlit allows you to write both front-end and back-end in Python. Tkinter and PyQt are for desktop applications, whereas Streamlit is for web applications. This book will teach you Streamlit through real projects, including an interactive metrics dashboard, an advanced dashboard, a CRUD application, an AI trivia app, a chatbot, a custom knowledge base, your own Streamlit component. By the end, you'll have a versatile portfolio and a deep understanding of Streamlit's capabilities.
Get this book at manning.com